Dear students, today is your class set theory. In previous classes, we have discussed about set and their types and their representation. Now I discuss about other type of subset, which is a part of a set. Set is a collection of all objects which are visible, distinct and are located in the environment. In this class, we study about subset. 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 This is a part of a set. Example: school. School, in which there are 12 classes in school. There are 12 classes in your school. You read in class 10. Yes, it is your school. Here is class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 12 classes, and here is your class 10. There are different classes. You locate in by symbol. To 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 classes in your school, and your class is here. The class X is a subset of your school. We say class 10. Class 10 is a subset of all classes of your school. So by example, you consider subset is a part of a set. I take an example: school had 12 classes and you read in class 10. The class 10 is called subset of your all classes of your school. You write class 10 is subset of school. I read. Where is your class belong? Your class belongs to school, and school contains 12 classes, and you read in class 10. So we write class 10 is a subset of your school. This is symbol of subset. Subset means a part of a set. Just you have taken a scale, and this scale contains number 1 to 15. You have a geometrical scale, and scale you have contained 1 to 15 number. So you write in this way. Our scale, suppose our scale contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is a collection of your natural number, and I take some examples from this. Suppose we make a set 1, 2, 5. It is your set, this is a small set and all elements of set A contained in your set P. So we say A is subset of P. We read set A is set A has all elements subset has elements which are lying in set P. Then A is called the subset of P, and we write A subset of P. So by examples, we have set natural numbers 1 to 15, and I derive another set which has elements 1 to 5, and 1 to 5 are present in your set P. Then we say elements which set A has elements which are lie in the set P, then A is called the subset of P, and by symbol we write A is subset of P. Thus you by example you consider that ki subset is a part of a set and it contains all elements which lie in the given set. So I give definition of the subset in this way. A set A is said to be a subset of the set B if every element of A is an element of B. By symbol we write A subset of B. We represent by symbol X such that X belongs to A, X belongs to B. Both elements are present in set A and set B. No elements are absent in A which are not present in B. Suppose A contains elements 1 to 6 and B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your B element is not present in set B, so you write A not subset of B. By example, we show that all elements of A present in set B. If element happens which are not present in set B, then we call A is not subset of B. It is a symbol of subset, and it is a symbol not a subset. So by definition, by example, I give an idea. I have an idea that there are two sets in which one set is a part of other set, in which all elements of set A will present in the set, then we say that it is a subset. Now we come to on exercise. Our exercise is 1.3. Exercise is 1.3. Yes, students, now I come to exercise 1.3. In this exercise, we have put symbols of set and subset. It is a subset and it is not a subset, and our question is 1, question is 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your question, and by we have given fill in the blanks, and by your subset and not subset. So first check, first set has all elements are present in that set. We have elements 2, 3, 4, and here is 2, 3, 4. All elements of this set is present in that set. So this set is a subset of that set. So we put the symbol of subset. Next, your question is 2. Your question is A, B, C. And your next set is B, C, D. And this is your first set and this is your second set. So I check our first set is a subset of other set. For this, we check the all elements of set A are present in set B. We find our A is not present in this set. So we say this given pair of set is not a subset of that set. Again, I repeat, your elements B and C present, but our one element A is absent in that set. A is not retained or absent. So all elements of this set are not present in set. So this set is not subset of that set. So by strike line, we say that this is not a subset of that set. Is it clear? So by two examples, you say in first question 2, 3, 4. The first set has all elements present in that set. So this is your subset. And in this question, our one element is not present in that set. So this is not a subset of other set. So we put the symbol this. In this way, we fill the other blanks in question number 1. Next, we come to question number 2. Your question number 2. Yes. Now I start your question number 2. Question number 2, your given true or false. You have given option. First, your option is A, B, not subset of B, C, A. This is your question, and in this question, it is asked, is AB not subset of B, C, A? So first I check, our first set has elements A and B. Our first set has elements A and B, which are elements of other set. So yes, all A and B are present here and there. So all elements of this set are present in that set. So this is your set, but we have given not set. So this given statement is false. Is it clear? Again I repeat, our first set has elements A and B which are also present in other set A and B. So, this is a subset of that set, but it is given not set. So, it is false. We write it is our false. Give reasons. All elements of first set are present in second set. So, this is a subset. And you know symbol of subset is this, but you have given cross. So, it is a false statement. Again, next your question is, second question, your AE subset X such that X is a vowel, in the English alphabet, Yes, so this is your given in your tabular form and this is your given in your set builder form. So, in set builder form, first we change the set builder form in your roster form. You write, you know the vowels of English alphabet. Vowels of English alphabet is you know and you write easily, and here it is your given set. So, for calculation, you change the set builder form in roster form or tabular form and compare the two sets by tabular form. So, by tabular form, first you check our first set has elements A and B which are also present in your that set. So, it is a subset. So, our given question is true because first set has elements A and B which are also present in set A and B. So, we can say our first set is a subset of given set. We write all elements of first set are present in second set. So, it is a subset, this is a subset, this is a subset हुआ. Then you know symbol of subset is this and this is compared by this symbol. So, both symbols are equivalent, both symbols are same. So, by comparing the symbol, we decide which is true or false. Is it clear? So, we write this is our true statement and you write the true statement for that question and false statement for that question. Both questions are clear and I hope we will be also clear question number 3. Next I solve question number 4 for you. Our question number 4 is question number 4 is I solve question number 2AB. In these questions we have asked form of subset. How many subsets can you form by given subsets? You have given set this which contain two elements A and B. By this, how many subsets can be formed? So, for calculation, I give you some rule. Our empty set is subset of every set. Our one set is subset of itself. This is both basic rules. Empty set is a subset of every set and a set is a subset of itself. So, our set is AB. This is our set. So, first we find subset. We write subsets. How many subsets form? So first we write this symbol. You know about the name of this symbol. Name of this symbol is 5 and it is used for empty set or null set. So 5 set is a subset of every set, and then we change them into singleton set. We have given set which contains 2 elements. So first given sets are changed into singleton set. Singleton set contains 1 element. So we by elements we change the sets in singleton form. Then we write the set itself. This is our subsets. Our subsets is phi A, B, AB. Thus we find how many subsets? So there are 4 subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write number of subsets is 4. By given 2 elements we form 4 subsets. This is a one formula given for this. Your formula is 2 raised to the power n, where n is number of elements. Number of elements. This is not no. This is a symbol of number. Suppose you write number in this way, but for lack of time we start write in symbol form. For this we write no and put the symbol full stop. So this is called number, not no. So you should know about the meaning of no full stop. No full stop means number. So we write in short form number, the number of elements. So in this set we have 2 elements, 1, 2. So we put the value of n is 2 and by calculation we find 4. Thus we decide our answer is true or false. If set has 2 elements, it has 4 subsets. If elements has 3 elements, it has 8 sets. Thus by calculation we find the subsets, and by curiosity and for lack of time we decide how many our subsets will be happen in the given subset. It is not asked in our question. I tell about for something in other problem. Next we draw other type of symbol. I take a other topic in this chapter. In this chapter given interval. Interval means between 2 spaces. Interval means between 2 spaces. 2 spaces or points. Suppose this is our first point and this is our second point, and distance between these points are called interval. Interval means I calculate by time period. In movie we have least interval. So interval means difference between 2 time periods. Suppose you come to school at 8:30 a.m. and leave your school 2:30 p.m. So how many times do you spend in your school? So by difference you calculate I spend that hours in our school. So this interval time period are called interval. There are 2 types of intervals in our mathematics books: open interval and closed interval. What is open interval? What is open and what is closed? What are their differences? Open means both intervals will be blank. There will be no closed door. Suppose I write in statics, I study in statics. First I discuss about open interval. This interval is also called exclusive. Exclusive. Its symbol is small bracket. Small bracket. Also you learn between in your textbook. These are words given in your textbook. Suppose I take an example between 8 and 13. So what do you mean by 8 and 13? So there are given points 8 and 13 between. We do not consider about 8 and 13. We do not consider about 8 and 13. We draw a line and locate 8 and 13 on the number line and represent our 8 and 13 are not included, they are excluded, and they are written by the symbol 813. So you write in this manner, then anybody consider our 8 is not included, our 13 is not included, and we write the numbers between, how many numbers between like 9, 10, 11 and 12. We do not write 8 and 13. Between means our 8 and 13 points are excluded, exclusive. We also take other word, excluded. Excluded means leave out. You leave the number. So this is your open interval. By line, we represent in this manner. This is our line and we represent by blank circle. It means blank circle given means our 8 and 13 are not included in the calculation. Is it clear? Open interval means our given interval point are not considered. They are left out. Is it clear? Our next point is closed interval. Closed interval. Closed means bonded. You are bonded. Excluded means included. Included. And in static it is known as inclusive force. Inclusive, and its symbol is square bracket. Other take example for closed interval. Closed interval is given by from. We write from 5 to 9. From means you take the process from 5 to 9 and you count from 5 to 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and by symbol you represent 5, 9. And by number line we represent 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and both lines will be included and you take for calculation. So if you take the both in points in your calculation, then this type of interval is called closed interval. Our numbers from 5 to 9 is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and there are 5 numbers among them. So in this last question we have given interval. Our question is 6. Write the following as interval. Our question is 6. Write the following as interval x such that x belongs to R and minus 4 x 6. This is our first question in this exercise. and write interval. So how do you write interval? What is these symbols represent? You have given x such that x belongs to R. R, you know, in lower classes you are familiar with R. R is a symbol of your rational number, and our x lies -4 and 6. So here is given only less than, and here is given less than or equal to. So this symbol represents our -4 does not include, but our 6 is included because we have given less than or equal to. So this symbol we write -4 by small bracket and 6 by close bracket, and this is our called semi-interval. In interval we have open interval as well close interval, and we write by interval in this manner, and this is written in your tabular form. Similarly, in question number 7 we have given -3 and 0. It is represented by set builder form just like this, and we represent by symbol. We take other symbol y, and you observe it is given by our open small bracket, so it is our open interval, and we write by in this manner. We represent y such that y belongs to R, and -3 less than y minus less than 0. This is our set builder form. This open interval is represented in set builder form, and set builder form is represented in your tabular form. In this manner you complete your exercise, and I hope you will be no problem for this exercise. Thank you.